Hello, today we are going to talk about PSN and Excel, International Advanced Level Physics, Unit 1, Mechanics and Materials, 1.3 Mechanics, Practical 1, determine the acceleration of a free falling object, Method 2, using a stopwatch. Method 2, using a stopwatch. Here we can see these are the apparatus we are using here. Equipment, tennis ball, stopwatch, meter ruler, soft pad for the ball to land on. Method. Plus 1. Using the meter ruler, measure height of 1 meter. Place the soft pad at the bottom of the ruler. Number 2. Hold the tennis ball so its bottom half is at the 1 meter mark. It may be useful to work in pairs here. One holding the ruler, one holding the ball. Number 3. Release the ball and simultaneously switch on the stopwatch and switch it off as soon as the ball hits the soft pad. Now the time taken for the ball to hit the ground, T, as recorded by the stopwatch. Number 4. Reduce H by 0.05 meters and repeat the above two steps, reducing H by 0.05 meters each time down to 0.5 meters. Repeat the experiment twice more to find mean values of T for each value of H. Calculations. Plot a graph of 2H against T square and draw a line of best fit. The gradient of the line of best fit will be G. This is derived using one of the constant acceleration formula below. S is equal ut plus half at square. H is equal half gt square as h is distance traveled, g is acceleration, u is 0 because u is 0, u into t part also becomes 0. So 2h is equal gt square. When we take it as y is equal mx, so we know 2h is y, g is m, that is gradient, t square is x. Safety. The ball bearing is cushioned by a pad at the bottom of the clamp, so it does not bounce upwards and cause injury. Notes. The meter ruler must be kept perpendicular to the ground. You could use a set square to make sure this is the case. The tennis ball will experience a large amount of air resistance, which may affect your calculation of G. Therefore, the tennis ball can be swapped out for a ball bearing to improve results. Reaction times will hugely affect the recorded times, T, making the results less accurate. Comparing methods. Earlier we have discussed about method 1. Now here we are talking about method 2. Method 1 we use light case. In method 2 we use stopwatch. The second method is easier to carry out and requires less complex equipment. However, it will be far less accurate. Therefore, the initial method is better for calculating a more accurate value of G.